enthusiasts, how are you doing? Welcome back. I hope you're all well and I hope you're having a great day. So we haven't had an unboxing for a while, so I've just recently ordered a load of bits from Mini Spares for the Racing Green and a door for Project Sprout, as I explained in the previous video. Not going to faff around reskinning the door. I don't want to mess around. I want to make sure it's right first time, so I'm just going to put a complete door on it. Now, I would say, and there was me last week or the week before talking about cost of living crisis. Doors are over £500 now. So obviously I need to do that. The car's going, so I will get that money back. But just something very, very useful for you. So I actually say £75. In fact, it was over £75 on these bits in discounts. So I've got 7.5% discount. You can get that discount by joining the Mini Forum and being a Mini Forum Plus member. I'm sure some of you know this, but if you do need to place some big orders, you can get 7.5% discount by being a Mini Forum Plus member. I will put the link in the description down the bottom to the Mini Forum. I've been a member of the Mini Forum for years. It costs £5 to be a member. So by spending £5 on being a member, I saved £75 on my order. And over the last few years, that has saved me quite a lot of money because I've spent lots of thousands of pounds on minis. So, always a little bit nervous. So this is how the box arrived from DPD. Not a fan of DPD, to be honest. I've had this sort of thing lots of times in the past with damaged boxes. And you'd have heard me rave about Ball Motif minis a lot in the past. I generally order either from Mini Spares or Ball Motif, depending what it is. Generally body panels I will order from Ball Motif because they always come perfectly packaged up, very well packaged up, and I've never had an issue. I ordered from Mini Spares because I got the discount and because I was ordering a load of other stuff as well. So you're seeing this the first time I'm seeing it. So hopefully this door isn't damaged. Well, pretty well packaged Mini Spares. I like that they put all this edge protection on there. Let's have a very quick look. There is a mark in the middle there, but I don't think it's anything to worry about. Well, hats off Mini Spares, to be honest. That was well packaged up. So it's looking fine, actually. So this is a heritage door. I don't think you can get non-heritage doors, actually. I'm not sure. Let me know in the description if you can. Just a very quick look over it. It all looks fine. I mean, I have received panels that have been dented before. Sometimes you get them where they've had a bit of rework. There is a slight blemish up there. I think there's usually a spot weld there. I can see that. I'm going to have to dolly that down a little bit. Inside of the frame doesn't matter too much, but you'll notice, I don't know whether you can see it on the video, But this is an MPI door, so it has a crash bar built into it for a bit of added safety. The price of the doors are exactly the same whether you have it with the crash bar or without the crash bar, so you might as well get it with the crash bar. There is no sealer on the lip, so we'll have to add the sealer, prep it, then get it painted. So that's the first part. I think with the VAT, doors are £565. Not cheap. What we got in here then? We have a brand new wiring loom. Hopefully it's the right one, but you'd have seen in the previous videos. Although it is expensive, I don't want to faff around with a manky old loom on the car. I've also got a brand new battery cable front to rear, so the one that come off it had all been bodged up and that sort of thing. So this should be now everything I need to start putting the subframe back together, and maybe some other bits. So I've got the tie rod bushes. These are actually their can't remember what it's called, but they have a hard bush and a soft bush, so one's rubber and one's poly, I think, but that gives you the best performance in terms of it stops it weaving under braking. Got some door gaskets, master cylinder gasket. And then we have subframe bushes for the tower bolts, top and the bits that go in the middle. These are just rubber, I'm not going poly. I have suspension top arm, rebound stops, they go onto the subframe. New plate for the master cylinder and engine steady bar. Bushes for the lower arms. A couple of rear subframe mounts. A pair of new bump stops and a pair of top arm repair kits. And that is it. And that's how you spend £1,000 on a Mini. It adds up quickly, doesn't it? Right, so what next?